Hey there. I've been reading up on Libya's economy, and it seems like the country has a diverse range of economic sectors. Apart from oil, what other economic sectors are prominent in Libya?
Absolutely. Libya does have a diverse economy. Besides oil, there are several other significant economic sectors in the country. One of them is agriculture, which has historically played a crucial role in Libya's economy. Despite the country's arid climate, there are substantial agricultural activities, especially in the coastal regions, where the climate is more favorable.
That's interesting. What kind of crops do they grow in Libya considering the challenging climate?
In the more fertile coastal areas, Libya cultivates crops like olives, dates, citrus fruits, and vegetables. These areas benefit from the Mediterranean climate, allowing for the cultivation of such crops. Additionally, some regions also engage in animal husbandry, particularly raising sheep and goats, which are well suited to the desert environment.
It's good to hear that they are making the best use of their resources. I've also read about Libya's tourism sector. With its historical sites and beautiful Mediterranean coastline, tourism must be significant, right?
Absolutely. Libya has immense tourism potential. The country is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the ancient Roman cities of Leptis Magna, Sabratha, and Cyrene. These historical sites attract tourists interested in archaeology and ancient history. Moreover, the Mediterranean coastline offers stunning beaches, which could be developed for tourism, attracting beach lovers from around the world.
That sounds amazing. I can imagine how these attractions would draw tourists. Besides agriculture and tourism, are there any other sectors contributing to Libya's economy?
Yes, there is also the construction and infrastructure sector. Libya has been investing in developing its infrastructure, including roads, bridges, and public facilities. The construction industry not only generates employment opportunities, but also stimulates economic growth by increasing connectivity within the country.
Infrastructure development is essential for any growing economy. I assume the manufacturing sector also plays a role in Libya's economic landscape.
You're right. Manufacturing is another significant sector in Libya. The country has industries involved in food processing, textiles, and handicrafts. These industries not only cater to the domestic market, but also have the potential for export, contributing to the country's economic diversification and international trade.
It's great to hear about the various economic sectors in Libya. I wonder, are there any challenges these sectors face, hindering their growth and development?
Indeed, there are challenges that Libya faces in its economic sectors. One of the significant challenges is the political instability the country has experienced in recent years. Political unrest can deter foreign investments and disrupt economic activities, affecting sectors like tourism and manufacturing. Additionally, inadequate infrastructure and lack of skilled labor can pose obstacles to the growth of industries and agriculture.
Political instability does create a difficult environment for economic growth. I hope the situation stabilizes soon so that these sectors can thrive. Speaking of foreign investments, has Libya been able to attract investments in these sectors despite the challenges?
Foreign investments have been relatively limited due to the political uncertainty and security concerns. However, there has been some interest from international companies, especially in the oil sector. Efforts are being made to attract more investments by improving the business environment, ensuring legal frameworks are investor-friendly, and enhancing security measures to provide a stable atmosphere for businesses to operate.
It's good to know that there are efforts being made to attract investments. Stability and security are crucial factors in encouraging both domestic and foreign investments. I hope these measures yield positive results for Libya's economy.
Absolutely. Stability and security are fundamental. Additionally, investing in education and vocational training can address the issue of skilled labor shortage, enhancing the overall productivity of various sectors. Education can empower the youth and prepare them for jobs not only within the country, but also in the international job market.
Education is indeed a cornerstone for economic development. It not only enhances skills, but also fosters innovation and entrepreneurship. With a well-educated workforce, Libya can potentially excel in various sectors, driving economic growth and creating employment opportunities.
Absolutely. Education is an investment in the future. Moreover, fostering entrepreneurship and supporting small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs) can also boost economic diversification. By providing entrepreneurs with the necessary support, such as access to funding and business mentorship, Libya can nurture a culture of innovation and create a vibrant entrepreneurial ecosystem.
I couldn't agree more. Supporting SMEs not only encourages innovation, but also stimulates local economies by creating jobs and promoting self-sufficiency. It's heartening to see how these strategies can potentially transform Libya's economic landscape. I hope the country continues to make progress in these areas.
Yes, let's remain hopeful for Libya's economic future. With concerted efforts in various sectors, including education, infrastructure, and entrepreneurship, the country can overcome its challenges and create a prosperous and sustainable economy. It's essential for both the government and the private sector to work together, fostering an environment conducive to economic growth and development.
Absolutely. Collaboration between the government, private sector, and the community is key to building a strong economy. By leveraging its diverse economic sectors and addressing challenges effectively, Libya can unlock its full potential and provide a better future for its people. Here's to hoping for a bright and prosperous economic future for Libya.